They're right over there, and they're very intently watching the buffalo, who are moving right over there. This could be very interesting. That is a huge buffalo.
That's a huge buffalo.
It's a huge buffalo.
Even the lion.
Yeah, they're too young. The one's gone already.
Don't you think there's a little?
I don't know. I think they're a bit young. I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, he's looking at getting this.
They're getting ready.
They're crouching.
She's quite big.
Does that mean attack position?
Yeah, it's a touch position.
Who is that female? I can't see it. This is it. They're running away. Big bull's gonna...
Uh-oh. What's the bull gonna do?
Oh my God.
Can we grab the baby?
Oh my God.
I'll grab the baby.
She's
Watch.
going for him. She's going for him. She caught him. Oh, she did. She got him.
Hey, he's gone. He's just chopped a buffalo here.
Oh my God.
God, did you see that?
Yeah. Oh my God. Yes.
Unbelievable.
She's always going to forget.
You didn't have fun in this ground and
Oh, guys, I'm shaking. Can you believe this? The buffalo are coming to help this one now. Watch.
They're too
They'll
late.
come and help this baby. Watch.
They're too late. Can they help him now, Frank?
Yeah, they can.
He's still alive, you think?
Oh, he's still alive.
My goodness.
Rustle for Frank.
They're trying to drag him out. They're dragging him out.
Hulle het nou net 'n kleintjie gevang. Hier's lekker action hier so, jong. Hulle het 'n kleintjie hier so in die water en die trop is besig om nader te kom.
it's on its back. I hope they kill it quickly.
Oh, it's still alive.
Ja, positief. Hulle het 'n klein buffeltjie gevang hier so.
There's a crocodile there too.
Ja, daar's 'n krokodil ook. Daar gryp 'n krokodil ook die kleintjie.
The
Yes.
crocodile.
Yeah.
Coming out
Look
with
at that.
Check through the banners. The croc's trying to grab the baby.
Yes. Oh, good gracious.
Look at this. The crocodile's taking the baby away.
Oh
my God.
They're two crocodiles.
They're going to lose it.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
they're going to fight over it.
Jeez, I'm shaking.
Oh my God.
Oh, he's coming back. Huge crocodile. Three.
Oh, look at those. Oh,
The lions have won.
the lions have won.
Oh, the lions have won.
Yeah, but look at all those buffalo coming.
I'm running out of time.
No, they're going to come and try and chase the lion, but I think they're too late.
I think you're right. They're way too late now.
No, they're going to chase him. Come on.
No, they're too late.
Yeah, you realize it?
Oh, look at the teeth.
Look at them. They're going to chase
Look at the teeth, Jay.
Look at them.
You're too late.
Checkers.
You're too late.
You guys, you cannot believe what's going on here. There's a big party here between lions, crocodiles, and buffaloes.
Look at them all.
Whoa! He swatted at him and kicked at him. He's kicking at him. Look, he's kicking at him.
Look at him run.
Ja, julle ouens, julle moet sien wat hier aangaan, jong. Die buffels is besig om die leeu's te omsingel hierso. En hulle, want die leeu's het 'n klein njattie gevang. En hierdie njatties wil die leeu's nou bykom. Hulle jag die leeu's links en regs.
Ooh, they got him surrounded.
Ja, jy kan maar kom, jong. Hier's
And that one's
Ooh!
Chasing him.
Record
Go
him.
on, John. Chasing him. Will he go in the water?
You got the lion on him, run.
that little buffalo's still alive.
Brave king of the beast. The others are doing that. They're going at the other end. Go on, go on.
Yes, can you believe this?
Never seen that.
I've never seen anything like
The
that.
calf's still alive.
It is?
Yeah, it's trying to get away. It's standing up.
It is, it's still alive. Oh, is it? Oh, they're putting him into the water. It's standing up. It's standing up. It ran away.
No, they've got
He's
us back.
gone.
It got it back. They've got him back.
They do have him back.
Ja, hierdie buffels het die leeu's weggevat van daai kleintjie af. En
They got him back. They're cutting the other ones.
We're still chasing him.
check.
Back in with the herd. And the two lions are lying down there. That's hard.
This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
I've never seen anything like that.
Look, they're running. Look at them running.
There's two left.
Gee, they chased him away.
Oh, they're terrified.
But they hooked the one, did you see? They hooked the one.
They left the one.
And they got the other one.
Go on, Buffalo, go on.
And there's the other one. Oh, the big one.
Run!
The leeu's, that lion's injured, you see that? But you see that buffalo throw that one in the air?
Yes.
I got it now, still.
Yeah, these others are coming to help as well.
Look, these are some more coming to them.
Yeah, I got him. I got him being thrown in the air.
Njatties het die daai klein njattie se lewe gered en hierdie klomp gonnies weggejag. Ongelooflik.
That's a fight and a half.
That was really something.
Did that one lioness that was lying
How
down
many
go?
buffalo do you reckon there, Brad?
Hey, in this little group here, there must be more than 100, eh?
Yes.
Look at
I
that
mean,
one
if you just
lion.
take 10.
Yeah.
No, there's easily
He's
a
coming
hundred.
back. He's fearless, this lion. Isn't he?
No, but he's stupid, he's young. You better run, my son.
Where's the little one?
I've never seen anything like this.
Really? You've never seen anything?
Never seen anything like this. I mean, I've seen it on video and on movies, but how's this thing?
Well, you can sell that video.
Yeah, probably. Should double.
When buffalo attack.
Yeah.